Good afternoon, famously frugal fans. My name's Noah Shapiro. I'm your chief editor and staff at Famously Frugal, and today I'm going to teach you how to make bolognese on a budget. Come with me.
Oh, chill, chill. Ooh, all the way to sign this skid it. Ooh, hopping out the rave and skid it. Smashing on that bitch and skid it. Ooh, run to the check with no limit. Chill, popping on X, popping on X, popping on X. Chills. Got a new car, got a new bitch, and I got a new deal. Ooh, all the way to sign this skid it. Hopping out the rave and skid it.
Now, the main thing about making bolognese on a budget is keeping it simple. Right now, we've got 7 ingredients listed behind me right here. Shout out to Andrea Bargnani, Primo Pasta and Sauce.
Primo pasta and sauce.
Alright, first thing we're going to do here is chop up our veggies, get them all prepped and ready before we start the sauce, just so that we don't burn anything while we're cooking. Alright, we're going to chop them up pretty fine because we want the sauce to go quick while we're boiling the pasta. Watch this. Alright, let's get this pan nice and hot, and then we're going to saute these veggies and then add the beef and be on our way with making this sauce. Alright, olive oil in the pan. Next, veggies in the pan. Alright, at this point you want to get a little salt and pepper on there. Alright, so about 5 minutes has elapsed on cooking those veggies out. We're about to add this ground beef. Main thing to remember is as soon as you add the beef, keep stirring it and smashing it immediately. Get it all mixed in, well incorporated. Camera died there, but we added the ground beef. We're mixing it in nicely, stirring it around, stomping on it, moving it around. As you can see, it's going to start taking on some fabulous color. Alright, now this part is optional. If I was not cooking this on a budget, I'd be adding some wine. But because we are on a budget, I'm just going to add a little bit of this lamb stock that I made the other day. Now, I'm assuming most of you guys don't have that, so just add a little bit of water. It might sound crazy, but it'll kind of give it a little more moisture, a little more evaporation, kind of develop those flavors a little bit further. Once that water is just about all evaporated and reduced, we're going to add the passata. What this is finely strained tomato puree, so it's perfect for a tomato sauce or a meatloaf or a lasagna. I really recommend it. My roommate on exchange, he was Italian. He trusted this stuff only, so I'll go with what he says. Shout out Federico. Alright, now we're going to toss on the pasta as the bolognese is slowly simmering away. Give that a quick stir. Make sure none of the pieces stick to each other. And let that go. 8 to 10 minutes. While your pasta's boiling away, don't be a schmuck. Do your dishes. Alright, as you can see, that circle in the middle almost entirely gone now. So we're going to take this out. A crucial step as you're about to take off the pasta. Get yourself a mug. Get a little bit of that water. Crucial step. You'll see why in a second. Add a little bit of the pasta water. Now we're gonna add some of this sauce that we made right here. Make sure to keep an eye out for the consistency that you're looking for here. Now we're gonna let this go for about 1 minute until all the water kind of evaporates, and then we're good to go. It's done when I can take my spoon, run it through the middle, and the sauce separates. All right, so the final part here, how does it taste? Let's see. Solid, very, very solid. You could get this at a restaurant for 20 bucks or make it for yourself for $3. Final critic here, one of my housemates, Blake. Let's see what he thinks.
It's great.
That's how you make Bolognese on a budget. Hope you guys enjoy. If you have any suggestions, recommendations, any other recipes you want me to cover, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'm Noah, and see you on the next Famously Frugal.